In this video, I'll show you how to upload profile picture on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you want to upload a profile picture on LinkedIn, what you're going to do right now, you can see my account with my profile picture, right? So I'm going to click on this update profile. You're going to see add your profile picture. Oh, this is not it, sorry. You're going to head over to this me, click on the view profile. I'm going to go on a profile and do this basically. I'm going to click on this plus icon, right? Click on the upload photo. Click on this. Yeah, you can see save photo. Exactly. So I'm gonna wait for some few seconds. So if I refresh my page right now, I'm gonna see exactly. So you can see what I just did. You can see what I did went through or got or yeah, went through, right? So this is it. This is basically how you can upload profile picture here on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you on the very next one.